GM and welcome to a new video. It's time for the weekly abstract update, and as you can see, we're gonna focus on the current Flash badge. I did not have time to record this earlier, but there's still time to get this, even though you might have missed the race weekend. And as you can see here, this is the in the moment Flash badge. Let me go back here real quick. This is the in the moment Flash badge that you can currently get. I logged into an AGW that I created back when Abstract started. I've never done anything on this, so you could see this. I did comment this under the last Abstract video how to get the badge, because I was in Tallinn for the Banana Conf, so I did not have time to record how to do this. But even though the race weekend is over and the 3 days where you could claim the digital collectibles, you are still able to do this. And because I do not use this AGW, I can show you how to do this, because in my original AGW, which we're gonna switch to later, I cannot show you this anymore because I claimed all of the 3 days. So if you missed any of the days or missed all of them, you still can claim this badge. And this is how you do it. You go to gate.io and then you scroll down. You need to connect your AGW. Looks like this. Disconnect here and then connect wallet. You click on Abstract Global Wallet and then you hit approve, and then you're in, and then you should scroll down and be able to see the extra phase. And what you need to do is you need to repost this X thread from Gate and ORBR. This will give you 1. Then the next one, join the Gate Telegram channel and share the campaign page and ask friends to give you a boost. When you share this campaign page with friends, they'll be prompted to click boost. No other tasks are required from them. For each boost you are given, you receive 1 standard digital collectible. You can be boosted up to 4 times. So if you still need boost, maybe just comment under this video so others and me can give you the boost that you need, and then you should be good to go. And once you have all those 6, then you will be able to claim the badge. Now I'm gonna log out of this AGW and give you a few updates now that you know how to get the badge. All right, here we go. We're back. Now if we hit rewards, then we can see that I have this Oracle Red Bull Racing badge. As soon as you got all of the 6 badges here, the digital collectibles, then you will be able to claim this. You have, let me check again, roughly 30 hours after I posted this video left to get this badge. So make sure to do this in time. As I said, just comment below the video if you still need some boosts, then me and some others will be happy to help you out. Then, apart from that, short experience points updates. I got almost 10k experience points last week. What I did was I minted those digital collectibles here. I only played 1 or 2 rounds of Giga, and that's it. I did not do anything apart from that. I think that the badges here gave a lot of experience points. Let me know how your experience points looked last week. And also, which is very important because I had this question come up on X and also in the YouTube comments, make sure that you have your Discord and also X connected to your Abstract Global Wallet. Sometimes you get disconnected and then you lose the roles here. And lately they posted that inactive AGWs that have a elite chat role on the Discord will be disqualified from the elite chat role. As I told you in one of the last videos, there's still a lot of time left until the TGE in Q4 for Abstract. So they are doing some kind of purge in the next weeks. So if you have not done anything with your AGW, now might be the best time to do this. For example, by getting this Flash badge here, maybe do a trade. I also have the complete abstract guide, which I'm gonna link here in the end of this video as well. So definitely make sure to check this one out. There will be a new Flash badge soon probably, because this gate thing here is only 1 to 2 days left. So afterwards there will probably be a new Flash badge. Once you can claim the new Flash badge, I will definitely record an update. One other thing before we close this one off, I told you about this in the last couple of videos. A lot of floors have been rising a lot lately, and it definitely makes sense to use OpenSea with your AGW. And if you haven't checked your NFTs that you got maybe from the beginning, then you might be in for a surprise, because lots of the NFT floor prices on Abstract have been going up, probably because of the next experience points shipment going to people using Abstract chain on OpenSea. And apart from that, make sure to check out my Huma videos. There's also a new one coming up on Kaito, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and that all being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.